So now this is question number 6. Okay, find n given the equation like this. So what you will do, this is ratio. Ratio means division. Okay, so first we will write this part, that is n minus 1. This is in power. Okay, then p, then 3 divided by ratio. Okay, n p 4 is equal to 1:9 means 1 divided by 9. Okay, now you know NPR formula. It is n factorial by n minus r factorial. So we will be applying this same formula only here. Now n minus 1 will behave as n minus 1 factorial, just like this. Okay, divided by n minus r, that means now it will be n minus 1 minus r, that is 3 factorial. Okay, divided by np4, n factorial by n minus 4 factorial equal to 1 by 9. Okay, so the same thing can be written as n minus 1 factorial divided by n minus 1 minus 3 means minus 1 minus 3 is n minus 4 factorial divided by n factorial by n minus 4 factorial. Now n minus 4 and this will get cancelled. Okay, so you will be left with n minus 1 factorial divided by n factorial, okay, equal to 1 by 9. Now you see n factorial. Okay, say suppose 5 factorial. How you write is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay, till 1. Now what is the formula for n factorial? Your n factorial will behave 5 factorial, 5 came here, so n will be coming here into, okay, next is it will be n minus 1 every time 1 is less. Okay, you see here, say this was your 5, no? How 4 came? 4 came means 5 minus 1, then you got 4. And for the next one, it is whatever is there, 5 minus 1 minus 1. Okay, then you got 3, 5 minus 2. So it is like that, every time 1 less into, this is the second term, and the next will be n minus 1 minus 1. Okay, again next will be n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Whatever the previous one, the next term will be lesser minus 1, like that. Okay, so now here what we can do is n minus 1 factorial, n factorial. I can open this up and the next term will be coming n minus 1. Okay, so I will open n factorial, n into n minus 1. I need n minus 1 factorial. So the next, if I want to stop opening the term, then I will simply put n minus 1 factorial equal to 1 by 9, such that I can reduce this. Okay, because I know that n factorial formula will be coming up like this. So I am left with only 1 by n equal to 1 by 9. That means my n is 9. Okay, I hope this one is clear to you. And those questions which I am not solving, those questions you have to do it by yourself. Okay, all the questions I will not be solving for you. So I hope this one is clear. Question number 5 also you will do it by yourself, and also question number 7, it is same like this one. Just apply the formula and you get the answer. Okay. So this is question number 8. How many words with or without meaning can be formed using all the letters of the word's equation, using each letter exactly once? Okay. Now using the word equation. Now you will see here that none of the letters are repeating. Okay. So total letters is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there. And we have to find how many words we can make using this word equation and using all the letter exactly once. Okay. That means the words must be using all the letters exactly once. That means total letters are 8. So we will be using 8. That means 8 letter words. You know. So in the first place, okay, this is your first box. My option will be, I can use 8 letters. Okay. Say for the first option I have 8 letters. Then for here the second one, since we cannot use repeating letters, each letter exactly once. So here will be 7, here will be 8, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 time. Okay. So here according to permutation, your n is total letters, that is 8. Okay. And arrangement is, you see here, arrangement also here we will be using 8 boxes, 8 letters using exactly once. So my R will be 8. See, it's given using all the letters of the words equation. So total letters there is 8. So that's why my arrangement will be 8. Okay. So 8p 8. So 8 factorial by 8 minus 8 factorial. Now 8 factorial divided by 8 minus 8 is 0 factorial. Always remember, okay, 0 factorial is always 1. Okay. And 1 factorial is 1. Remember this one is very important. 0 factorial is equal to 1. So 8 factorial by 1. So solve 8 factorial. That is 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. Now when you solve this, the total you will get 40320. Okay. This is the way you will solve this problem. Similarly, using the fundamental principle of counting. Okay. What you used to do, you used to multiply all this. See, from 8 to 1, that is, it is a factorial of 8. You will get the same answer using this one also. Okay. So I hope question number 8 is clear. Now you see question number 9. How many words with or without meaning can be made from the letter of the word Monday, assuming that no letter is repeated? Okay. See, here also repetition not allowed, so we can use permutation formula. Now the first one is 4 letters are used at a time. That means you are given the word Monday. So from here we can find out total number of letters. That will be your total number of object. That is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the first one is using 4 letters at a time. That means 4 words. Okay. A 4 letter words. So we will have 4 boxes. Okay. So arrangement will be, my n is 6. My arrangement is 4 letter words. So my R will be 4. So you can find NPR will give us 6P4. 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial, which is 6 factorial divided by 2 factorial, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 factorial, divided by 2 factorial, 30 into 12. How much you will get is 0, 6, 3. 360 will be your answer, okay? So I hope the first part is clear to you, very easy. Now the next is all letters are used at a time. That means in Monday, total number of letters is 6, okay? Your N is 6. And here, the words also must be a 6-letter word. All 6 letters must be used exactly once, okay? So, now here your R will be what? Previously, in the first part, my R was 4 because we are using 4 letters at a time. Now we are using 6 letters at a time, means my R also will be 6, okay? Now, you see here, if according to that principle of fundamental counting, your first one, you will be left with 6 letters. So, you have 6 ways. Here will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You multiply all, then you will get the answer. And similarly, using permutation form it will become as 6p6. So, 6 factorial divided by 6 minus 6 factorial, which will give you 6 factorial. Okay, 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. So my answer is 5 6 are 30 into 3 4 are 12, 12 to the 24. It is not 820 but 720 is your answer. Okay, factorial of 6 factorial is 720. Similarly here also, using principle of fundamental counting, you multiply all this, you will get 6 factorial only, which is 720 you will get. Okay, now the third one, all letters are used but first letter is a vowel. All letters means total 6 letters are there in Monday. Okay, but what happened is the word should start with the 6-letter word must start with a vowel. Okay, now in Monday, what are the vowels? We know vowels are A, E, I, O, U. O and A is your vowel. Okay, so the first box I will have 2 options, that is A and O. I have to start the word with either A and O. So I will be left with 2 options. Okay, now suppose out of O and A, if I use one, say O I have used. Okay, then for the remaining, for this box I will be left with, if I took O, suppose the first vowel, I will be left with 5 letters. Okay, here will be 5 ways. Here again it will reduce to 4 as digits cannot be repeated, 3, 2 and 1. Okay, or according to permutation formula, 6 boxes, isn't it? So the first boxes is, you have a condition, it is a vowel. So we are going to separate this box. 2, no? So my N is equal to 2 and I am arranging for one box. My R is equal to 1, so it will be 2P1. Okay, and for all these, okay, together, I am not doing it separately, I will do together. If out of 2 I have used 1, then I will be left with 5 letters for the remaining boxes. 5 and arrangement is, my R also will be 5. Okay, so you will get total, you write down the sentence. Okay, total letters will be, I am doing it shortcut, 2P1 into 5P5. Now you solve this. 2 minus 1 will become 1 only, 1 factorial into 5. 5P5 will give me 5 factorial. Okay, 2 into 1, 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 1 factorial means 1 only. Okay, 1 into 1. So when you calculate, see what you get. 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3 2 is 6, 6 is 12. 2 40 is your answer. Or according to the principle of fundamental counting, you will multiply all this 2 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. Same like this. You will get the same answer like this. Okay, so I hope this one is clear to you. But mostly you will be using the permutation formula. Okay. If the question is not asked to solve with permutation formula, then you can use either way. Okay, you can solve the question using permutation formula or using principle of fundamental counting of multiplication. Okay, any one. But if the question is asked, you have to use permutation formula, then you have to solve the question using the permutation formula only. Okay, I hope this one is clear. And the rest of the questions you try by yourself.